Can yoga help one to boost immunity? Does it work instantly or is it slow to show the results? Can one practice yoga during COVID-19 period? These questions have been popping up in your mind. Let's answer them. Regular practice of yoga has shown effective results. Different asanas boost immunity, build body strength, increase energy levels, bring down anxiety and stress, infusing positivity and freshness in your mind. So take a look at the simple yoga poses that boost immunity during COVID-19. Shishu Asana or child pose. Sit on your heels, keep your hips on the heel, bend forward and lower your forehead to the floor. Keep the arms alongside your body with hands on the floor, palms facing up. Gently press your chest on the thighs. Hold. Slowly come up to sit on the heels, uncurling vertebrae by vertebrae and relax. Shishu Asana is an excellent pose to decongest the chest and relax the mind. Setu Bandhasan or bridge pose. To begin, lie on your back. Fold your knees and keep your feet hip distance apart on the floor, 10 to 12 inches from your pelvis with knees and ankle in straight line. Keep your arms beside your body, palms facing down. Inhaling, slowly lift your lower back up, middle back, upper back off the floor. Gently roll in the shoulders. Touch the chest to the chin without bringing the chin down, supporting your weight with your shoulders, arm and feet. Feel your bottom firm up in this pose. Both the thighs are parallel to each other and to the floor. If you wish, you can interlace your fingers and push the hands on the floor to lift the torso a little more up, or you could support your back with your palms. Keep breathing easily. Hold the posture for a minute or two and exhale and gently release the pose. Halasan or plow pose. Lie on your back with your arms beside you, palms downward. As you inhale, use your abdominal muscle to lift the feet off the floor, raising your legs vertically at 90-degree angle. Continue to breathe normally and supporting your hips and back with your hands, lifting them up off the ground. Allow your legs to sweep in a 180-degree angle over your head till your toes touch the floor. Your back should be perpendicular to the floor. This may be difficult initially, but make an attempt for a few seconds. Do this slowly and gently. Ensure that you do not strain your neck or push it into the ground. Bhujang Asana or Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach with your toes flat on the ground, forehead resting on the ground. Keep your legs close together with your feet and heels slightly touching each other. Place your hands palm downwards under your shoulders, keeping your elbows parallel and close to your torso. Taking a deep breath in, slowly lift your head, chest and abdomen while keeping your navel on the floor. Pull your torso back and off the floor with the support of your hands. Keep breathing with awareness as you curve your spine, vertebra by vertebra. If possible, straighten your arms by arching your back as much as possible. Tilt your head back and look up. Make sure your shoulders are away from your ears. Your shoulders are relaxed, even if it means bending your elbows. Don't overdo the stretch or overstrain yourself. Breathing out, gently bring your abdomen, chest and head back to the floor. Dhanur Asana or bow pose. Lie on your stomach with your feet hip-width apart and your arms by your side of your body. Fold your knees and hold your ankles. Breathing in, lift your chest off the ground, pull your legs up and back. Continue to take long and deep breath as you relax in this pose. After 15-20 seconds as you exhale, gently bring your legs and chest to the ground, release the ankle and relax. Matsya Asana or fish pose. Lie on your back, your feet are together and hands relaxed alongside the body. Place the hands underneath the hips, palms facing down. Bring the elbows closer towards each other. Breathing in, lift the head and chest up. Keeping the chest elevated, lower the head backward and touch the top of your head to the floor. With the head lightly touching the floor, press the elbows firmly into the ground, placing the weight on the elbow and not on the head. Lift the chest up from in between the shoulder blades. Press the thighs and legs to the floor. Hold the pose for as long as you comfortably can, taking gently long breath in and out. Relax in the posture with every exhalation. Now lift the head up, lowering the chest and head to the floor. Bring the hands back alongside of the body and relax.